In PDM, you might sometimes find the need to change the category of a file. This can be done if you're using PDM 2017 or newer and if you're using the admin login. Simply right-click on the checked-in file and select Change Category. It is also possible to select several files and change the category. If you want to delete a category, open the administration tool, right-click on the category and press Delete. This action requires that no files are present in the category.